All right. In the last video, we have discussed how to use camera angles. In this video, I would like to show how to create scene 2. Okay, I'm going to create another scene in front of you so that you will get better idea. So what we are going to do is we are going to remove this particular image from scene 1. Okay, remove this. Now click on the same option and I'm going to select image 2 because we are creating scene 2. Image 2, click on open. Now remove all these things, go back to the main document where we are saving all the important data, go to scene prompts and copy the second scene. Go back to Hailuo AI, paste it here. Before we click generate, we should select the camera angle. So scroll down. So for second scene, what is the camera angle? You can select either right circling or left circling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this option here and I'm going to look for left circling and right circling. So I'm going to select right circling. Once you select right circling, it will be enabled here. It will be activated here. So if everything looks good, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on 25 here to create the scene 2. So let's see how it goes. All right, if you see now, second scene is ready. The second scene is ready. So I'm going to click on the video here. So this is how the second scene looks like. So the scene is Pixar style animation of Naresh looking frustrated in front of giant floating editing timeline. Random colorful video clips are flying around chaotically. So it looks okay. It's not so bad. It looks okay. So I have created two scenes now for using image 1 and image 2, and I'm going to follow the same process to create scenes for image 3, image 4, image 5. So if you are following the course, if you are creating scenes along with me, please follow the same process. Okay, this is your assignment. Please follow the same process. So I'm going to create the rest of the scenes and I'm going to come back to you in the next video. All right. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.